Hello guys, today we're gonna how to sound like robot or the sky. So you seeing guys you see guys you just now that's the chip that just after day. Look like this. It's a look afternoon and afternoon.
Now that's a chip. Now that's a chip if I ever see a chip. That's a whole family of chips. You got too much chip on your chip right there.
That's what it looks like like that. You have to put your tongue, hold your throat and say robot. So yeah, bye guys.